Hey birdies, how you guys doing today? Hi, I'm back again with another reaction video to SB19 on Camera Reaction. Hey, I just want to say, as always, to the P-poppers out there, the Philippines out there, thank you all the fans who come into my channel to subscribe. The last video I did a couple days ago was like, I think over 1,000 views now, and I am very happy for it. Thank you so much. I really do like the group SB19. I listen to their songs quite often. I don't understand fully what every words mean basically, but I do know the English translation of it as well. But I really do like the group. I think they came such a far and a long way, and they worked their asses off. So this is a newly released video that they posted up for a What dance performance, the onesies version. So I'm curious to see what they're gonna give, because the marketing team for that group is working. The marketing, the PR, amazing. They are selling the heck out of this EP. I'm here for it. I love the fact that we're going back into the color era. God, because I remember growing up in high school, it was the goth era. Everything was dark and misty eyes and symmetry. But now we're in colors. How history repeats itself.
Nagsimula no pero wala na akong balak na tapusin. Di ibig sabihin pag di tinapos ako'y hinto na rin. Alam ko naman na di ako pinaka-ano magaling.
Cutesy.
Destinies will be better. Lahat ng aking
I can't.
What?
Now I want a onesie. What? Now I need to get me a onesie.
Pare-pares lang tayo may pagkakaiba, diba? Ika nila, ibang mundo nakikita nila. Mabuting iba, di ka
Look like they had a park or something. Oh, Ken. Oh, he got a Pikachu one. Cookie Monster. Panda Bear. Yeah. Oh, put his acting skill to the test. What? It's too cute. They are too cute. They are too cute.
nyo na ang tatama. Ama, sala, mati ko ang agiba. Bana, iwag-iwag mong batawa. Di na, para,
Come on, Ken.
bandera. Para, rasa, puso nyo na ang tatama. Ama, sala, mati ko ang agiba. Bana, iwag-iwag mong batawa.
What? What? People fuck like what? At my heart. That was really cute. SB19, that was so cute to post that video in that onesie version, dance version, to their song What Under EP. Please go listen. This is very good. The PR team, the marketing team, the record label is working. It is working and it is everything. I can't wait for the album to come out. So I want to say thanks to the ones who recommended me to SB19. I really do appreciate it. And thanks to one who gave my recent videos over 1,000 views. Yay. But as always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.